Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Bella, and today I'm doing a DIY mango and carrot oil butter. The ingredients I'm going to be using is whole carrots, raw mango butter, raw shea butter, avocado oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, a mason jar, a cheese shredder, a mixing bowl, and a hand mixer. First, I will be making carrot oil, in which I start by getting 5 carrots and washing them. Then I will be drying them and cutting off the ends. Some people peel off the skin, but I do not because I love to save every last nutrient. After shredding the carrots, I will be putting it all in a mason jar. Because carrots does not contain that much oil, you need other oils to help extract that oil. So the oils I will be using today is olive oil and sunflower oil. I put about 1/3 of olive oil and the rest with sunflower oil just because that's my preference, but you can put as much olive oil or whatever oil that you want. You really want every piece of carrot submerged in oil just so you can get every little bit of carrot oil that you can. There are many methods to making carrot oil, but the one I will be using is the double boil method. I put the mason jar in boiling water for about 30 minutes. Then when I took it out, I put about 10 drops of tea tree oil in it. While letting the carrot oil sit and cool, I will be making the other half. Now most people melt down their butter so it can be easier to blend, but just because I don't want to add any heat to my butters, I will just be mixing them just how it is. It does take a little bit more work, but I believe I'm saving as much nutrients as I can just by doing this. The creamier you want your butter to be, the more oil you put in it. So I will be putting a fair amount of avocado oil in it. Because I'm making a big batch for multiple people, I will be adding more mango and shea butter. After my carrot oil cooled down completely, I will now be straining it. And there you have it, your very own DIY carrot oil. Carrot oil has so many benefits and it has such a beautiful color to it, like I'm literally obsessed. Down below in the description, I will be listing the benefits of all the ingredients I used. Now that all my ingredients are together, I will be mixing until I get the perfect consistency that I want. I was satisfied with this really creamy texture, so now I'm going to be putting it in this really cute little mason jar. I did not add any preservatives in it, so storage is key. I stored my carrot oil in the refrigerator, which lasts up to 6 months, and I will be storing this butter in a cool, dark place. And there you have it, my greatest DIY ever created. This butter is extremely moisturizing and creamy, and it just melts onto your skin. And the same goes for carrot oil. You can use it on your hair, on your body, or even for your nails. This natural butter has so many benefits. In the description, don't forget to check out the benefits of the ingredients that I used. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it or want to try this butter, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to check out my other videos.